horse. Riley, that's the horse. Hey, Rosie, don't you buy her, Rosie. Don't you buy her, Rosie. Hey, girlfriend. Rosie, you nuts. Say hey. Is that Rosie? Say hey, Rosie. You the one that pet Rosie? Where's the goat? Hey, little goat. Hey, little goat. There's Mr. Goat. That's a goat, Riley. Come here, little goat. Come here, little goat. Come here. That's a goat. That's a goat. Come here, Rosie. What you saying? What you saying? That's a goat. That's Rosie right there. Rosie's a horse.
Abby, stop that.
No.
Stop that.
Tell him be nice to Rosie. Be nice to Rosie. Oh, that's Rosie's mommy. And mommy? Mama. Is this Rosie? That's a goat in here. Say how sweet Rosie is. Say how sweet Rosie is.
What's Rosie's mama's name?
I don't know. Look at Rosie. What are you doing, Rosie?
You smell it.
What are you doing, Rosie, baby? Say hi, Rosie. Want pet Rosie? Want pet Rosie? Let's do it lovely. Hey, Rosie. Say hi, Rosie. Come here, Rosie. Rosie, where you going, Rosie? Where you going? Where are all the goats? Come here, goats. Come here. Come here, goats.
Andy, don't bark, Andy. Abby.
Hey, Rosie, you're a sweet girl. Yes, you are. You're a sweet girl. Somebody been braiding your hair, Rosie? Has somebody been braiding your hair? Okay. We saw the goats. We saw the goats and the horse. See the